you have dry skin, if you have dull skin, this is really great for you. Hey allies, I'm Nicholas Travis, founder of Allies of Skin, and today I'm here to talk about one of my favorite products, 20% Vitamin C Brighten and Firm Serum. Vitamin C is a total essential for me. It does everything from fading dark spots, supporting collagen production, and firming the skin. So this is something that I use every single day. It has a waterless base. Part of the waterless base is made from pure diamond powder, so it has instant light reflecting properties. Because of its pure diamond base, you're going to experience instant radiance. That also means that this formula also functions as a really great primer. It's also really great under makeup. So this is one of our really great hybrid products, and it has multiple antioxidants as well. So this is really wonderful for using in the daytime. If you're prone to sort of like dull skin under the eye area, this is really great for illuminating the under eye area. You can see how everything is smoother, it's more hydrated, it just reflects light, which if you are tired, if you have dry skin, if you have dull skin, this is really great for you as well. I hope this video is helpful, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section below or DM me or Allies Like Skin. Talk to you soon.